What's up everybody, Bo is here. Today I just want to make a really quick video introducing you to my new project. This is Mercedes Sprinter. This is a 2022 model, 2022 gas model. This one comes in selenite gray, beautiful. I wanted this color from the beginning, but I ended up with a different color. It wasn't available. So yeah, selenite gray color, and this is a 144 wheelbase, and there is some upgrades already inside this one. Let me show you real quick. First, let's take a look at this beautiful wheel here. This is a what they call a Nito Ridge Grappler. This is a 17-inch. It's what size is 265 70 17. This is all-terrain tire. It looks beautiful, upgraded. And let's take a look at the inside. All right, got some nice option here on the driver. All the control safety features and 10.25 inch touch screen there, and it looks like the driver's seat has the driver has already swivel seat, okay, on the inside, I mean one side of the driver, and then it looks like a heated seat and all the controls here on the door as well. Very nice. Take a look at what we have inside. So as you can tell, the door is open halfway. Okay, there's a lock right there halfway. If you want to open, you don't want to open all the way, and then it's all the way 100% open. The floor, the owner already built that. So this is a crew van. So window on the sliding door, already bench seat here. Yeah, nice, very light color hardwood floor here, and also the power bank is already built. All the wires, everything already ready to go. There are 400 amp lithium batteries in there, so there's 400 amp of lithium batteries inside. As you can see, the panel is fully insulated from what I was told. We're gonna find out because we are going to change the ceiling to shiplap. Okay, so we're gonna take that off. Bed platform already there. This is the IKEA style platform bed. It's gonna be 2 layers, I believe. So we're gonna add a shower in here. We're gonna build that. The ceiling, we're gonna have roof racks, some solar panels, fans, either 2 fans or 1 fan, 1 AC. We're gonna see which one fits. As far as the bed, I'm not going to build any bed. We're just gonna add a shower, the gray tank, and the freshwater tank. I just wanna introduce you guys really quick to my new project, so you know I am already busy, right, one after another, before I take a little break. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please follow me along. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, if you like all these contents like the travel, we're gonna have some trips coming up. So see you along the road. This is Bo.